Hi guys.
Hi.
What are we opening today?
Lego. Batman Lego.
Yeah, we're opening Batman versus Mr. Freeze Lego playset.
We opened a lot of new toys.
Yeah, this looks really cool, Dave, this boat. And let's take a look at the back of the box here and see what we can find inside. We're gonna build Mr. Freeze, Batman, Batboat, and a little Mr. Freeze's boat. And this. What is this even?
This guy is the guard from this one, and this guy tried to steal it.
Okay.
Because see, here he tries to steal it.
Oh, okay. Mr. Freeze is trying to steal this, whatever that is.
So he has the powerful gun.
Okay, let's open it up and start building it. Ooh.
Oh, my boat is not done yet.
Look, your boat is almost ready here.
And my boat is...
Let's follow. Let's
Look, I
follow
took
the
this off.
instructions.
Look, I see the Batman body.
You do? Okay. Okay, guys, we're ready to build our Batman. We have all the parts. David, you ready to build him?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Okay, so his feet. Oh.
Yeah, you don't have a face.
No, not yet. And his cape. Head. Does he have two faces?
Yes.
Oh, let's take a look at him. This one is smiley face. And this one is serious face. He's very serious here.
That's why I put the serious face on.
Yeah. And his mask.
I need this down. I can stick this together.
Oh, you can't really even see his face in that mask. Oh, here is our Batman all assembled. Looks very serious and ready to fight with Mr. Freeze. Cool guy.
Where is Mr. Freeze? Okay, guys, Batman is assembled, and now we're gonna make another guy.
Okay, we are putting together
Mr. Freeze.
Our Mr. Freeze. Yeah. That's what he should look like.
A handle push-up.
Does he have two faces too?
No.
Only one face? Let's take a look at that face. Ooh, he's wearing a mask.
Wait.
And red eyes.
And he looks serious too.
And look at his mask.
No, he's not wearing red eyes. He's wearing
helmet?
goggles.
Whoa, look, he's really protected in there.
And he has fire on the back.
Yeah.
That helps him fly.
Really cool. That is Mr. Freeze.
We need to make the gun
He
now.
is ready. And now we need to make his weapon, his gun that he's gonna hold. Let's do it.
It's easy for me, guys. I don't even need to see the instructions.
Okay, David is building Mr. Freeze's.
I don't even need to
gun.
see the instructions because I know everything. This goes on top. See?
Yeah.
And this goes in front. There.
And this is it?
Oh, I need my gun. Where is it?
Whoa.
Where's my gun? Okay, now I'm gonna put the gun into Mr. Freeze's hand.
Okay.
He's like a freezer.
Oh, that's right.
He's a freezer. He freezes everything.
Yes, this gun freezes everything, guys. That's why he's called Mr. Freeze. That's his super freezing gun. Cool.
And it might shoot Batman's car. I mean,
yeah,
ship.
Yeah. Batboat.
That's so quick. The ship is not ready yet.
Not yet.
Final touch.
I don't think it's a final touch, but we're getting there. This already looks cool.
Wait.
And the flame.
Record.
Yeah, like that. Oopsies. Guys, our boat for Mr. Freeze is ready. Check this out. Looks super awesome. And Dave, maybe we should put Mr. Freeze inside. What do you think?
Stand boat is ready for action, rider, sir.
Our boat is ready for
Daddy
action.
Cubs! Maybe Daddy Cubs or no.
This is what he looks like in
On the
his
boat.
boat. Yay!
Rowboat. It's called
It's
rowboat.
a mini boat. Cool.
boys play. And I'll take the police and
Cool.
check.
Mhm. What's next? Something.
That's not a boat.
It's like a box or something, Dave.
Do it away.
Mr. Freeze's box looks like. Oh, it's cool. I don't know what that is.
I
Maybe
know what it is.
maybe he keeps his
this one
treasures
will-
inside.
If this
And finally, let's start building.
I already started.
Yeah, let's start building
It said here, see?
the Batboat. Yeah, good job. Cool. Very nice.
Okay, now we need to do this.
Cool. And
Maybe it's gonna be fast making this boat.
maybe.
Cool.
Cool.
It's looking cool right now. It's almost ready. No, here.
What is this?
It's the controller.
Oh, look at that.
It's almost ready.
It's like a computer. Yeah.
Where's
where
the
he can
steering wheel?
control his boat.
Guys, now we need to put this one on the controller. Now we need to put this red piece here.
Yeah.
Okay, these little rubbers go on top of this red thing. It's like we put a black one on top of it. And now we need this piece surrounded it.
Yeah.
Here you go, ship. You're almost ready, ship. Guys, these flames look awesome.
Yeah.
And they like make the ship go super duper fast from
Yeah,
the
they
evil ship.
do. Super fast Batboat.
Mommy, do you want to be the other ship?
I
The
do.
bad guy?
No, I don't want to be a bad guy. I want to be a good guy.
Just pretend being the bad guy ship. Okay, Mommy? It's going to be super cool.
Now it starts to look really, really cool. With those wings.
Here.
Okay, what is that? Is this Batman's
I
weapon?
did not finish. I need to put the walkie-talkie.
And he has a walkie-talkie on the other side.
And look, it can move.
It can move, yeah.
Whoa, sorry.
Cool.
There.
Oh, cool.
That's so cool.
And what's next?
These wings are the coolest.
These wings are the coolest, yeah. And this should be the
The
final touch,
Batman.
Dave.
No.
Batman sign.
No, it's not. See?
Okay.
It's not the final touch.
The Batman sign.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe
Now.
the Batman.
Now it's the real Batboat with his sign on it.
Let's go here, I know.
A clear roof to protect him. Ooh, cool. That's cool.
Wait.
What? And it's ready.
Guys,
We also have those discs, and I think
I know what
you
it is
can
for.
launch them
I know
from
what
the-
it is for.
Oopsies.
I'm gonna
That's
show
how
you.
Batman fights, with those discs.
Because he cannot get any gun. Otherwise, it might drop in the water. So he needs
I
that.
think you should put Mr. Freeze here
And Mr. Freeze,
and try and shoot him with those discs.
do you know, guys, the Batman ship?
Oh wait, where is the Batman?
The Batman
He should be inside.
Guys, do you know that the Batman ship is way bigger than the Freeze's ship?
Yes, it is. He looks
Way
cool inside
smaller.
there. And he's gonna launch those discs now and try to shoot Mr. Freeze. Can you hit him with that disc?
I'm trying my Batman disc best.
Oopsies, yes, it did. Yeah. That's cool.
Let's try to knock this over.
Almost. That's fun. I like those discs.
Let's see whose powers is stronger. Okay, guys?
I think Batman's powers are much stronger.
Yeah.
He's a very strong guy.
And my belt is still fine. How would check out my superpower? Ow! My belt is breaking. It goes like here and then it goes through here. And then flies.
It does. Don't break my camera.
Alright. It's not even a real weapon. Yeah. It should fly.
Oops, it did. It's right here. Dave, do you want to check if he actually can float on the water? Yeah?
Alright.
Let's check. Yay! It can float! Doesn't drown. Cool.
We don't have any bigger one.
Oh. Victoria, can yours? Can Mr. Freeze? Oh my goodness! Batman is all wet, guys.
Oh, that's better.
I think now he's drowning. Oh.
How about this?
Try him.
Me.
It's a small.
This one.
Yeah, let's try this one. Oh, yes, put him in. Put him in. Can he float? No.
Only bad boats can float.
Well, they look great underwater.
And look cool underwater. Look! And look gigantic underwater. Oh no!
Oh no! Guys, so Mr. Freeze can't float. That's why our Batboat is the winner.
And Mr. Batman is swimming!
He can swim too, look! He's not drowning, he's swimming.
Ah! Freezer is cheated! He's my Batboat! Oh, look at this cave.
It's all wet. Yeah.
David! I want to try to put Mr. Freeze inside. I'm drowning. But since he was sitting all the way in the bottom of the pool. He's sitting in the bottom of the pool. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.